Hello beautiful kids, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourself. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids by the CAP. In today's class, I will tell you how to make letter R in small and cursive writing. Okay? So first you have to tell me in the last class which letter we did. We did letter Q. And after Q, what comes? Comes letter R. Let's start today's class. Okay. So quickly take out your pencils. We are going to make small cursive R. Okay. Okay. Start from here. Go up, make a loop, come out and make a curve like this. Now this is capital cursive R. How you will make it? Come down, go up, make a round and loop and come out. Okay. Let's make with these dotted lines first. Very good. Now R is in rabbit. Rabbit starts from R. You have to paint a picture of a rabbit here. Okay. Now we are doing without joining dotted lines. Easy, isn't it? This is capital cursive R. Very nice. Now we will do without joining the dotted lines on our own because we are big students now. Okay, these two you will do it at your home. Now R as in rose, R as in rocket and R as in rainbow. Okay, all these things start from letter R. Next is the activity. We have to match the things that starts from letter R. It's like this rose. Okay, rose starts from letter R. So we will match this with the rose. Okay. Now, what is this? It's a mouse, but this is a rat. So we will find the rat and match this. We will go like this. Okay. Next is rocket. Rocket starts from letter R. We will match the rocket like this. Okay. And then is your rainbow. Yes, rainbow starts from letter R. We will match this rainbow. Okay. Next is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros also starts from letter R. So we will match this rhinoceros to the other rhinoceros. Okay. We will leave this thing. Okay. Alright. So we have learned today about letter R. How to make small and capital cursive R. I hope you will practice it and learn it. Till then, bye bye everyone. Happy learning. Take care.